Hello and welcome to RLRX Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can highlight your selected data in Excel. Alright, what is this? Let's understand first, then I will teach you that how you can create this. Alright, so for this here I have taken some employee ID and their name and their department and who is their team leader and what they are getting sales from Jan to December is mentioned over here, and on the basis of these data I have calculated total sales. And if I want to see maximum data in one page, so that I have reduced my maximum data row height so that I can see maximum data in a single page. And if I will take this type, so you can see that data is not properly visible. It means if you want to see any selected cell, let's say I want to see E12, so if I will click on E12, so for this I need to press shift plus spacebar so that I can see the particular row of this data. Or if I want to see particular column, so I need to press control plus spacebar to see that particular column. So here I want a trick so that if I will select any data or entire row or entire column or any cell, so that it would be highlighted. So how I can do this? Let's first I will see you that, then I will teach you. Alright, so here I have created a checkbox which is highlight cell, and if I will click on this, then what should be happen? After clicking this, if I will click anywhere in my data, then it should be highlighted. If I will select any row, then it should be highlighted. If I will select any column, then it should be highlighted. If I will select lots of data, then it all be highlighted. Alright, you can click anywhere and check it. Look at this. And if I will remove this check mark, then it should be normal. Click anywhere and see, it should be normal. And if I will click on this, then it should be highlighted. So how I have created this, let's learn. Alright, so what will I do? I will just select my this data and press Ctrl C, then click on this plus button and this press Ctrl V to paste your data. Alright, then I will just add this checkbox like so. For this I will go to developer tab and I will click on insert, and under active X controls I will click on this which is checkbox. So just select and draw it like this one. Alright, then just select your text checkbox and right click on it, click on checkbox object, click on edit and rename your checkbox. Let's say I just want to give the name which is selection data. Alright, any of the name you can put your. Alright, now then again right click on this, go to format control, go to properties and click on don't move or size with cells. Alright, then I will select this entire row of the first row, then I will press Ctrl Shift and down key so that I can select all row. Alright, then I will right click on it and I will go to row height. Then currently the row height is 15, so I will give almost 12 so that I can see maximum row in this page. So just click on OK. So you can see now this time I can see almost 29 row. Alright, then go to home and now you can see the current font size is almost 7. So we need to remember the font size and the row height because we will put this data in our coding. Alright, so then I will click on this developer tab, Visual Basic, and now here you can see here I have written this VBA code for sheet 1, and this time I will written this or write this code for sheet 2. So just double click on sheet 2. Now here the general option is already selected. I will click on this and I will select worksheet. Now if selection change is already selected, then keep it, otherwise you can click and choose selection change. Alright, then under this data or sub I will type my code. So first of all, now remember this sheet 1 is not, this time is sheet 2. So what will I do? I will type sheet 2 if sheet 2 dot checkbox dot one, because our checkbox name is checkbox dot one dot value is equal to true. Then and if sheet 2 dot used range dot size font dot size is equal to 7, because we have taken the currently font size of our entire data is 7. Alright, so that here I have taken 7. Now sheet 2 dot used range dot entire row dot row height. So this time the default row height is currently 12. If this is available, then what should I have to do? I will type selection dot font dot size would be, let's say I'm taking 20. Then selection dot entire row dot row height, that would be, let's say, 22. Alright, so that would be applied. If in our data the font size is 7 and the row height is 12, then it should be changed in font size 20 and the row height 22. Let's see. If I will do the check mark on this, first I need to get back from design mode, so I will click on design mode. Now click on this. Now select any data and it should be highlighted. Here you can see, if I will select any data, then it should be highlighted. Any data you can select and see it is highlighted with this data. Alright, now here you need to remember one thing. If I will highlight any data and I will remove this check mark, and if I will click anywhere, then you can see the selection is not happening, but your last selection is still. So I need to get back to the normal data mode. So what will I do? I will again go to Visual Basic, and here I will choose checkbox, and under checkbox I will type my code, that is this one. So if I will do this as false, then it should be in normal. Alright, and if, now let's see it. Here you can see, if I will do the check mark on this, then you can see if I will select any data, then it should be highlighted, and if I will remove this check mark, then it should be normal. Here you can see. If I will do the check mark again, then it will be highlighted. If I will be remove this check mark, then it should be normal. So that's how you can make your data more visible than earlier. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you something extra VBA coding for you, so that you can become an Excel expert very easily. And for you, I will just upload this file into Google Drive, and will share the video link to this video description, so that you can download this practice file and do practice more, because practice more makes a man perfect. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.